Good morning, happy homemakers. Today I am bringing you a clean and update video. I got quite a bit of money from people for Christmas, like gift cards and stuff, and I spent a lot of it on Amazon. I got these curtains. I got all white pillowcases for the living room. 2 of them haven't come in yet, so I'll have to show you in a video later on of those. But then I got these white curtains, and I got a new shower curtain for upstairs, a new shower curtain for the downstairs bathroom. The one for upstairs isn't in yet either, but that's beside the point. And then I got a white curtain for the kitchen, and I think that's it. But I'm just going to show you all of the new things as I go, and yeah, here we go.
Best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. At the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. Be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder.
Okay, so now I'm going to make the bed and make the house look nice. Sean works until 7, and so I'm just gonna make it look better so that he doesn't have to come home to a messy house. I try to do that as a homemaker. I try to make it to where he doesn't have to come home to a messy house, but that doesn't always happen because I can have 7 girls in my house at any given time, so, you know. Anyway, I'm going to make the bed and then I'm gonna go and do the dishes.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
Okay, so these curtains are too long for the that window. They would drag and get wet and stuff, and that's just not worth it. Sorry if you can hear in the background, it's Cinderella. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you that's why I'm not putting them up there. They're just too long.
Forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Okay, so I have made just a frozen lasagna and a Caesar salad kit. That's what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. It's just me, our 9-year-old, and the 3-year-old that will be eating right now. My husband will be home at 7 and it is 5:45, so we're gonna go ahead and eat, and then I will make him a plate for him to eat when he gets home. Or he won't get home till 7, he gets off at 7, so he'll be home by like 7:30. And our 12-year-old is at somebody else's tonight. So anyway, that's what I make for dinner, and I will see you guys after dinner.
We stay here forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you I showed you the curtain in the bedroom. I'm gonna show you the couch and the shower curtain, and then I'm going to end this video. But here is the couch with all the brand new pillows and Nala and Journey. But these are our new pillows. These actually came, Nala, get down. These actually came quite a bit smaller than I was expecting, but it's okay. I kind of like the 2 different sizes. So, and then these are fluffy, just on one side. I kind of thought it was the whole thing, but that's okay. But we do have 2 more pillows coming for our chairs, but they are not in yet. And then I got this shower curtain for this bathroom because it is a beach. It's beach themed, and it has 2, yeah. I never think to get the back one, like the plastic one for the inside. And I did this time for both the upstairs and this bathroom. So anyway, the shower curtain. So we're still waiting for the upstairs curtain to get here and the 2 pillow covers for in here, and then I'm getting a dinner bell that we're gonna put on the back porch. But for now, that's all I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun putting all these new things out and just kind of making it a little bit different. This is our homeschool area here. I'm going to be doing a video on that soon, so I'm excited. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.